As well as being a very strong transport company with a strong warehouse background that we're building, contract packing just gives us that extra layer that allows us to really drive concept to consumer for our customers and our clients. I'm Anita Donohoe. I am the Managing Director of our Logistics and Fulfilment business at Kinaxia.
Within our co-packing division, we currently operate across 3 sites, but this is growing, and we have plans to expand to more sites in the near future. During our peak period, we employ over 400 staff at our co-pack site.
So for me, the software is really important. We went out and had a look at new software, effectively, to really modernise what we were doing. But to find a software package that absolutely supports our industry has been really, really important and has helped us to kind of start step changing what we do.
Nulogy offers a standardized approach to our customer account management, allowing our customer service and production teams to effectively manage multiple customer accounts. Nulogy gives us the ability to train our employees on one system, developing skills that are transferable across multiple customer accounts and can be implemented within all the different group companies. Real-time visibility from the system plus intuitive interface means that we can better meet customer demands, improve visibility for our customers, and work with them to provide improvements and more competitive pricing to their ongoing projects.
The implementation of Nulogy was a great success. We had a lot of support from the Nulogy team. They came on site very early on to offer scoping sessions and understand our needs and requirements, make sure that everything was mapped out fully.
Having Nulogy linked to our WMS, enabling full stock visibility, has seen a big reduction in downtime on production lines, as the production team can measure the stock availability and request more stock instantly.
With Nulogy, growing the co-pack across the Kinaxia, it's really easy. Now just grabbing the laptop or the tablet, this is what you need to run the production on different sites.
Everyone's feeling the benefit of switching to Nulogy, and we're finding it's really easy to train out to new members of the team, and it's just supporting everyone from our production team to our warehouse team to our customer service team.
Over time, we hope to use Nulogy to improve our customer offering, utilizing custom integrations so we can offer even more of a bespoke service to our customers.
So over the next sort of 5 to 10 years, the ambition for Kinaxia as a business is to be well within that top 10 logistics supplier in the UK. So more warehousing, providing services for customers, and continuing to grow our strategy.